everybody, Stephen here, and we just wanted to quickly point your attention to and discuss a little bit the structure of the upcoming early 2021 IPO offering from HempFusion. Now, this will be up in Canada. This is on the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX. And interestingly, their ticker is going to be CBD, so pretty memorable stock ticker there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the offering terms here, which I'm showing. They're going to be about $1 a unit. They're doing it in two parts. First 7 million with just common shares, and then 10 million with an interesting structure here. You can see the 10 million will be one common share and 1/2 common share purchase warrant. So they're really stretching out the timeline of investments here. They also have a couple options, but we'll get into that. You can see that the exercise price of the warrants is a $1.20, so still pretty reasonable. The unit shares themselves have a hold period of 4 months. The warrants don't have a hold period. But let me show you the prospectus, and hopefully you're used to seeing prospectuses. If not, we can go over them. Please ask questions in the comments. But you can see a couple of the insiders here are getting both options, warrants, and common shares, anywhere from a price of 25 cents to a $1.25. A lot of them were given out to mostly the executive officers and past employees. But look at what's been offered in prior sales. Common shares long ago at a penny, common shares, a ton of them, most of them in just a couple different offerings from 25 to 50 cents, almost 100 million of them you can see. 6.5 million warrants, and then some warrants in 2019, 24 million. You can see that those were an exercise price of $7, so really high. And then some stock options, about 5 million stock options in July 2020 were given. So, HempFusion has put together a nice timeline here, right? Because the common shares are going to be tradable. The common shares have a hold time of 4 months. Then some of the options are going to come into play. Insiders will start to trade, and then warrants are going to come into play. So the volume that we're going to see associated with this stock is going to be interesting. They've kind of set their 3 month, 6 month, 12 months, 18-month periods, right? And they're holding them strategically, very based on the instrument type that is going to keep volume high, right? The really interesting note, and I'll just go back to our notes here, is that this latest round that should be January 2021 has this exercise price of $1.20 on the warrants, when the common shares are going to IPO at about $1. So 20% increase is pretty low in our opinion. So definitely pay attention to the HempFusion upcoming IPO, if not get involved in yourself. And it's extremely good practice to dive into these prospectuses. There's just a wealth of information here. So everybody, good luck on this IPO. Let us know your comments. Let us know your questions. And we'll be watching HempFusion, CBD, and the TSX ticker very closely. Thanks, everyone.